The Tennessee Titans are at odds of 125 to 1 to win the Super Bowl. Their 2016 season win total is set at only 5.5 games. They're at odds of plus 5,500 to win the AFC, while the team is at odds of plus 1,056 to win the AFC South Division. Last season saw the Titans go 3-13 straight up while going 4-11-1 against the spread. The team went 9-6-1 on the over-under. There is really only one way to go in 2016 for the Titans, and that is up, as they are coming off a 3-13 season a year ago. Tennessee is in rebuilding mode after having a very good NFL draft, but it will take a while for their many draft picks to make an impact. Tennessee does have an exciting quarterback in Marcus Mariota, and the addition of DeMarco Murray could be a great one. But the team still has a lot of holes on defense, so it is hard to see them finishing with a winning record. Odds makers are pretty sure the Titans are going to be improved, as they have set their win total for 2016 regular season wins at 5.5. The Titans should be improved offensively, as now they have a running game to take pressure off Marcus Mariota. DeMarco Murray was a Pro Bowl running back 2 years ago, until the Eagles ruined him. And even if he doesn't live up to expectations, the Titans have Derrick Henry, who they took in the NFL draft in round 2 from Alabama. The problem for the Titans is the offensive line, as Mariota was pressured far too often last season. The Titans did address the problem as they took Jack Conklin with their first draft pick, and he should start immediately. Another issue for the Titans is at receiver, as they are counting on players like Kendall Wright and Harry Douglas to make plays. It should not come as a surprise that Mariota's favorite target is tight end Delanie Walker. The Titans still have a lot of work to do on the defensive side of the ball as well. They did take Kevin Dodd and Austin Johnson in the second round, and both could start this season. The front line is still weak, even with the addition of Dodd and Johnson, and the Titans are counting on Brian Orakpo to regain his form and lead the linebacking corps. The secondary has potential with Brett Grimes and Jason McCourty at cornerback, but far too often there is not enough pressure on the opposing quarterback, and that means big problems for the secondary, especially without safety Michael Griffin, who went to the Vikings. Marcus Mariota is an improving quarterback, and DeMarco Murray is a good running back, so the Titans should be better on offense this season. The problem is the defense that simply cannot stop good offenses. The Titans should be improved and win 6 or 7 games this season, but fall short of having a winning season overall.